Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Sofa, and today we're gonna talk about a very interesting medal which I just recently received. Now here we have an example of the medal for the development of virgin lands. It's not a military, it's a Soviet civilian medal, but the interesting thing is that the Soviets actually awarded a lot of civilian workers with several civilian awards, and I will introduce them to you all step by step. Now, this piece is actually very interesting because it was actually established on October 26, 1956, and there were a total amount of awardees around 1,340,000, something like this. And very interesting fact about the medal is that it was given to civilians in the Soviet Union, obviously, from October 26, 1956, by the decree of the Presidium of the Supreme Soviet of the USSR, to recognize individuals who actually displayed superior performance in labor over 2 years connected with Virgin Lands campaign, which started in 1954 by Nikita Khrushchev to cultivate 36 million hectares of previously uncultivated lands in Kazakhstan, Siberia, the Urals, the Volga area, and the Northern Caucasus. It was intended to serve as an example for good achievements in performance of civic duties. So it's a quite very interesting award itself, and let's just take a closer look at what the medal looks like. Now, I do not own the documents for it, but still a nice piece because, as I mentioned already before in one of my videos, I'm starting to get a little collection of Soviet civilian awards, and this will look pretty nice in my Militaria collection as well. So here we have the medal itself. As you can see, it's a very beautiful piece. It's worn, obvious. It's not like the one sets which I actually shown before, but it's pretty nice condition too, so it will look nice in my vitrine. Now, the interesting thing about this medal is that there were actually two variations. So variation one had the eyelet, which is one piece stamped flat. So we have this here, as you can see there. And the second variation, the eyelet is solid stamped and rounded. So if we take a closer look here, you would see that this one is actually the one which is flat and it's not rounded. So this is the medal itself. Now, also very interesting, it's not very common to find the documents. So for me, for example, I had some problems to find normal docs for them. So I'm actually looking for them to get as quick as possible to actually make this set complete. And as I mentioned before, it will just amazing with the other civilian awards from the former Soviet Union. So this is kind of the medal. You can see a very beautiful piece, and I will actually how to say display it, and once the display is finished I will also make a little review on that. Now I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to put a like up. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't. If you can have any kind of ideas, just let me know. Provide me some feedback in the comments. I will be more than happy to listen to you guys, and see you next time. So have a nice one. Bye bye.